Yes, then we have the retreating monsoon, right? So what is the retreating monsoon? Is during October, November, an apparent movement of the sun towards the south. The monsoon trough of the lower pressure trough. Now you will be asking, what is sir saying this trough? What is he saying all this? I don't know. Class 6, you have to find the meaning yourself. Trough is actually how do I explain it to you? It's generally ah, a long region, like a trough is a place of water, a long channel of water where animals can drink water. Trough is like that. A long part of relatively atmospheric pressure keeps on shifting with the clouds is called a trough. It's taking water around. Trough. By the beginning of October, the monsoon withdraws from the northern plains. The retreat monsoon is marked by clear skies and rise in temperature. Again, it becomes heated up. Due to high temperature and humidity, the weather is rather oppressive during the day. That is known as the October heat. Right now, it's hot during the day, right? In October, but in the evening it's getting cold. The low pressure conditions over the northwestern India get transferred by the Bay of Bengal to the Bay of Bengal in early November, which causes cyclonic depression in the Andaman Sea. This cyclonic causes heavy and widespread rain again. The thickly populated deltas of the Godavari Krishna and the Godavari Krishna and many other parts like the Kaveri are struck by cyclones which cause great damage to life and property. These cyclones arrive at the coast of Odisha, West Bengal and Bangladesh. The bulk of rainfall, the Coromandel coast, is derived from depression and cyclones. Last time also we had cyclone, isn't it? In Calcutta, Odisha, everything went on. The parts of western coast and northern eastern India receive about 400 centimeter of rainfall annually. It is less than 60 centimeter in western Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. Rainfall is low in the interior Deccan Plateau and the east of the Sahyadris. Okay. Now, east of the Sahyadris are your Kashmir one part, some parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Now, low precipitation is in Leh and Jammu Kashmir because there is too much of ice and snow. Low precipitation, it does not precipitate, the temperature is not high. The rest of the country receives moderate rainfall. Snowfall is restricted to the Himalaya region. We don't have snowfall anywhere. Himalayas protect the subcontinent from extremely cold winds from Central Asia, and that this enables northern India to have uniformly temperatures when compared to other areas on the same latitudes. The seasonal alteration of the wind system and the associated weather conditions provide a rhythm cycle of the seasons. It goes in rhythm. The uncertainties of rain and uneven distribution are very much typical of the monsoons of India. The Indian landscape, its animal and plant life, its entire agricultural calendar and the life of people including their festivities revolved around this system of the monsoons. The monsoon winds provide water to set the agricultural activities in motion. The river valleys which carries this water also unite as a single river valley unit. Okay? Clear? Rest you will do for your homework. Now you will complete that chapter. Bye bye and see you. God bless. Respect your parents and be good and enjoy life. Keep smiling.